Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a downloadable PDF to your Wix site. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Wix editor. So first, log into your Wix account, and from the dashboard, you can find the site that you want to edit, and then just click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Next is to add a button. So from the menu on the left side of the editor, you can click on the Add Elements icon and then the plus sign. So you can click on that plus sign and select button from the list. So you can choose a design that you like and then drag and drop it onto your page where you want the download link to be. Next is to link the button to a document. So click on the button that you just added to select it, and a small toolbar will appear. So you can click the link icon so it looks like a chain link in the pop-up window that appears. So just select document from the list of the left-hand menu. Next is to upload your PDF file. So after selecting document, you can click the Choose File button, and the Wix Media Manager will then open. So click Upload Media to find and upload a PDF file from your computer. And once it's uploaded, you can select the file and click Add to Page. And lastly is to publish your site. So once the link is set, you just have to click Done in the link settings window, and then you can change the button's text to something clear like Download PDF. Finally is that just click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor to make your changes live. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!